The following error occurs on some users' PCs when they try to use their webcams with the likes of Skype, Zoom, and the camera application. Now, if this is also your problem at hand, here's how to fix it. For your first fix, check the privacy settings for the webcam. All you have to do is open Settings, select the Privacy tab, click Camera, turn on the camera access or allow apps to access your camera option, and then go through the list of apps just below that option and make sure you have the camera access turned on for all the ones you need the webcam for. Next, run the Windows Devices Troubleshooter by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Execute the following command for opening the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Select the next option to start troubleshooter scanning, and then click Apply this fix for any suggestions the troubleshooter offers. Lastly, enable and run the Windows Camera Frame Server service. To do so, open Services, double-click on Windows Camera Frame Server service, set the service's startup type to automatic, then click the Start option if that service is not running, then select Apply before clicking OK to exit the window. And those are the following fixes if you're having this webcam error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.